It's the traditional Dussehra celebrations in Mumbai. The Shiv Sena is on the offensive, and this time Uddhav Thackeray has attacked the BJP. We will quickly cut across and listen in to Uddhav Thackeray. This is the party's annual Dussehra rally. Just a short while back, you had Sanjay Raut saying that while you have Shastra Puja, you have swords this year, there will have to be AK-47s next year. Let's quickly cut across and listen in to Uddhav Thackeray.
त्यावेळेला जे जमलं ते यावेळेला का जमत नाही? म्हणजे सेंचुरी कोणाची बघायची, कोहलीची बघायची की डालीची बघायची? काय होतंय रे? इकडे तर बरोबर जातो ना रे. आता आला हा, ठीक आहे. मग हा माईक बरा दिसतोय नाही, कारण काय होतं, दोन दोन माईक, आपल्याला दोन तोंडाची सवय नाही, बोलायचं ते एका तोंडाने. रावणासारखी 10 तोंडाची गरज नाही आपल्याला. मग त्यावेळेला जर 5 वस्तूंचे भाव स्थिर ठेवले होते तर आता काय नाही जमत. आणि एक लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे, सरकार कोणाचंही असेल, पण कांद्यावरनं गडगडलेलं सरकार ही सुद्धा फार जुनी गोष्ट नाहीये, गेल्या 5-10 वर्षातलीच गोष्ट आहे. जर कांदा सरकार गडगडू शकतो तर महागाई वाढल्यानंतर काय होईल सांगता येत नाही. आणि म्हणून मला असं म्हणायचं की आहेत ना आमचे जे अनुभवी शिलेदार आहेत, त्यांचा उपयोग करून घ्या आणि जनतेला कुठेतरी चांगलं वाटेल, सुसह्य वाटेल. अरे डाळ सुद्धा काँग्रेसचा भाव वाढत होता, पण त्यावेळेला डाळ त्यांच्याहून जास्त होती. आता डाळ त्याहीपेक्षा स्वस्तात मिळते. हे आशीर्वाद सरकार हे माझं आहे, हा एक विश्वास आणि ही भावना ही जनतेच्या मनामध्ये का निर्माण होऊ शकत नाही? आम्ही आपल्या गोष्टी करत राहायचं. मगाशी मला वाटतं शरद, तुम्ही सावरकरांचा विषय घेतला असाल, घेतलात ना सावरकरांचं. आपण काय करायचं, 50 वर्ष झाली, 100 वर्ष आली, 75 वर्ष आली, 25 वर्ष झाली, नुसते आपण मयंत्या साजरा करत राहायच्या. शाहीर अमर शेख, त्यांचं जन्मशताब्दी वर्ष. किती लोकांना माहिती आहे शाहीर अमर शेख? मला आठवत आहेत, कारण मी त्यावेळेला 4-5 वर्षाचा असं इकडेच पलीकडे राहत होतो. संयुक्त महाराष्ट्राचा लढा नुकताच संपला होता. आजोबा त्यावेळेला अग्रणी होते, प्रबोधनकार. आणि आजोबांच्या बरोबरीने हे साथी सोबतीने हे सगळे शाहीर अमर शेख, डांगे, आत्रे, सेनापती बापट, किती नावं घ्यायची. आणि त्यावेळेला असा पिंजारलेल्या केसाचा एक माणूस यायचा, शाहीर अमर शेख. घरी आले तर अमर शेख आले. माणूस एक मस्त असं व्यक्तिमत्व होतं. आणि विशेष म्हणजे दिल्लीला ज्या वेळेला मराठी माणसांनी धडक दिली होती, तेव्हा अमर शेखने दिल्ली ही दणाणून सोडली होती. एक तर पहाडी आवाज आणि हातामध्ये डफ. हल्लीच्या लोकांना आपल्याला राजकारण्यांच्या थापा माहित आहेत, पण शाहिराची थाप नाही माहिती. ती थाप अशी असायची की हातामध्ये जो डफ असायचा, त्या डफावरती मेलेल्या जनावरचं कातड असायचं. पण त्या शाहिराची एक थाप पडल्यानंतर ते मेलेलं कातड सुद्धा जिवंत व्हायचं, अशी ती थाप असायची. आणि माणसं पेटून उठायची. जागा मराठा आम, जमाना बदलेगा म्हटल्यानंतर जे सगळे उसळायचे.
Uddhav Thackeray there launching a frontal attack on the BJP, saying we are still tigers, but the others seem to have become lambs. And I want to bring in our Western India Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi for more on this. Sahil, this is a direct attack on the BJP. He's reminding the BJP of the coalition dharma and saying we remain tigers, others have become lambs.
Gaurav, since beginning of this rally, the tone of this rally was set because Shiv Sena started this rally with the anti-Amit Shah slogan. Amit Shah is a BJP president, and the rally started with anti-Amit Shah slogans. The leaders who spoke before Uddhav Thackeray set the tone of the rally by criticizing BJP over Pakistan issue. But Uddhav Thackeray went one step ahead and said that just because they are in the coalition, that does not mean that they cannot criticize the government. But at the same time, Uddhav Thackeray is now clarifying that does not mean that they will leave the government, because every time whenever Shiv Sena attacks BJP or the Modi government on certain issues, the question is raised that whether the Shiv Sena will leave the government and play part of the opposition party. Uddhav Thackeray today clarified clearly that they will not be coming out of the government, but by staying in the government, by right, they will oppose the government. What Uddhav Thackeray is saying in the rally is that the people have voted them to curb price rise, but the government is failure on that count, and the government will have to think about that, because when BJP and Shiv Sena were in opposition, these opposition parties criticized the Congress government for the price rise, and now when they are in the government, they have failed to curb those price rise. So it's very clear that Shiv Sena has clearly decided that they are going to target the BJP, and especially in Maharashtra, they have decided that their own status they are going to maintain, and that's what is the fight is going to be about.
The details of the attack, as far as Pakistan is concerned, the Shiv Sena has launched a frontal attack on the BJP on its changing stance on Pakistan. Take us through details of that.
Gaurav, the Pakistan stand of Shiv Sena has been clear since last few days, especially since the time they opposed Ghulam Ali's concert in Mumbai, and after that BCCI and Pakistan Cricket Board's talks regarding India-Pakistan series. Uddhav Thackeray also took up this issue and said that the Pakistan stand of Shiv Sena is very clear, and if the government is saying that by their methods the state is getting a bad name, then the government should think about their own action regarding Pakistan, because when Narendra Modi was in the opposition, his speeches clearly targeted then UP government, claiming that the government is soft on Pakistan, and such kind of activities should not be done when cross-border terrorism is on. So
stay with me for a moment, Sahil. An extremely aggressive Uddhav Thackeray. Sahil, stay with me. Let's listen to him once again.
भारत रत्न त्यांना मिळाल्यानंतर त्यांना काही तिकडे कळेल न कळेल म्हणून नाही, पण निदान याच्या पुढे जेव्हा देशाचा इतिहास लिहिला जाईल आणि तो चालला जाईल, तेव्हा तुमचे आदर्श कोण, त्या आदर्शामध्ये अरे सावरकर होते, यांचा सावरकरांचा आदर्श आहे, म्हणजे हा देश नक्की हा देश प्रेम्यांचा आहे, हा देशद्रोह्यांचा नाही, हे त्याच्यामध्ये नमूद होईल. या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत, या जर का गोष्टी आपण करणार नसू आणि नुसती जर का चर्चा करणार असू, तर मला वाटतं हे सगळे जे काय आहे ते सगळं फुकट आहे. मध्यंतरी एक असा विषय आला होता, मी मुद्दामून तुम्हाला बारीक बारीक विषय का सांगतोय, की कसं आपल्या आजूबाजूने सगळं ज्याला फिल्डिंग म्हणा किंवा फास्ट म्हणा, हा कसा आवडला जातोय तो बघा. मध्यंतरी एक विषय असा झाला की दिल्लीमधला एक जो रस्ता होता औरंगजेब रोड, त्या औरंगजेब रोडचं नामांतर कर म्हणजे ते कधीच व्हायला पाहिजे होतं. काँग्रेसवाल्यांची ते जमतच नाही, त्याला मतांची भीक मागायची. औरंगजेब जर का रोड नाव बदललं तर हिरवी मतं जातील ना, मग हिंदूंचं नाव बदललं तरी चालेल, पण औरंगजेबाचं नाव पाहिजे. कोण लागतो औरंगजेब तुमचा? औरंगजेबाचं नाव बदलून तिकडे अब्दुल कलामांचं नाव दिलं, हरकत नाही. तुम्हाला जातीय सलोखा राखायचा म्हणून एका मुसलमानाचं काढून दुसरा मुसलमान, अब्दुल कलाम आम्ही त्यांना मुसलमान म्हणून मानत नाही, ते आमचे देशप्रेमी होते, आमचे ते मोठे संशोधक होते, शास्त्रज्ञ होते. पण औरंगजेबाचं नाव बदलून त्यांचं नाव दिलं. आणि सहज एका कार्यक्रमाला गेलो असताना मला पत्रकाराने विचारलं, तुमची प्रतिक्रिया काय? म्हटलं चांगलं केलं. मग औरंगाबादेचं काय? म्हटलं औरंगाबादेचं नाव संभाजीनगर झालंच पाहिजे. का नाही करायचं? कारण औरंगजेब आमचा कोणी लागत नाही, औरंगजेब लागत नाही ना, अफजल खान लागतो. हे सगळेजण आमच्या महाराजांचं हिंदवी स्वराज्य संपवायला आले होते, अफजल खान काय औरंगजेब काय. आणि त्यांनी औरंगजेबाने विशेषतः 26-27 वर्ष तो महाराष्ट्राशी झुंजला, मराठ्याशी झुंजला, पण विजयी होऊ शकला नाही. शेवटी अखेरचा श्वास.
Sahil, when we listen to Uddhav Thackeray, he's playing the Hindutva card very, very strongly, questioning the BJP government. Aurangzeb Road, will it be Aurangabad next, changing the name of Aurangzeb Road? He's also talking about Veer Savarkar. He's also taking on the BJP government on its stance on beef. Take us through details.
Shiv Sena is very clear on the stand about Hindutva, especially when they are in power and concern. They know that even in the previous government, the BJP government was not strong enough to come with their agenda of Ayodhya Ram Temple. So that issue was also picked up by Uddhav Thackeray during his speech. Now, Hindutva has always been Shiv Sena's pet issue, and Shiv Sena has lost no opportunity always in showing that they are, on the issue of Hindutva, they have more hardliner than that of BJP. And even in his speech, he is trying to imply that the BJP, after coming to power, lose that Hindutva touch, whereas Shiv Sena, despite being in power, never lose their touch with the Hindutva issue. And that's what Uddhav Thackeray is saying in his speech. But the larger, if you look at it, he has targeted government, especially on the issue of price rise and Pakistan, and has come down to the issue of Hindutva.
Okay. Now, when we look at this card, when we look at the very, very aggressive Shiv Sena, very aggressive Uddhav Thackeray, while this aggression is there, this is more for his own cadre, because one thing is making very clear: the relationship with the BJP government in Maharashtra, the relationship with Devendra Fadnavis government stays. He's only trying to show who the bap, if I may use the Shiv Sena's terminology, who the bap of this relationship is.
See, the relationship with BJP was in problem, is in problem ever since the alliance between Shiv Sena and BJP was broken down before Maharashtra Assembly elections. In fact, Shiv Sena even claimed for opposition leader's role in Maharashtra, and finally then Devendra Fadnavis had to do the mediator's role. He had to speak to Uddhav Thackeray, and finally it was finalized that Shiv Sena will be part of the Devendra Fadnavis government. But the relationship between Sena and BJP had become uneasy since then, and it has still continued like that. Shiv Sena has 5 cabinet ministers in Devendra Fadnavis cabinet, but there seems to have no impact in the government's day-to-day running. And this is what Shiv Sena has a problem with. They think that they are not being treated as equal in the partner, especially in Maharashtra, because the Devendra Fadnavis government has survived with the Shiv Sena support, and they think that the Chief Minister is not doing enough. And that is the reason why, to show their separate identity despite being in the government, some or the other time, Shiv Sena has always picked up something or the other issue to target the government, and that's what even Uddhav Thackeray is doing now. Especially after the Pakistan issue and after Devendra Fadnavis claimed that what Shiv Sena did to Sujendra Kulkarni has brought a bad name to the state.
Okay.
After that, it was pretty clear that Shiv Sena is not going to live this issue, and that's what we are seeing even in Shiv Sena's rally today.